Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Only Carrot show here on YouTube. I'm Leah and today I'll be reviewing the Fussy Vegan Pro app. And no, it's not a sponsored episode, I just think it's wonderful and had to share it with you guys. All right, let's get right into it. Okay guys, the Fussy Vegan Pro app is available on iOS and Android. This is what it looks like. A really cute little logo with a V for very wonderful vegan. Ken Goldstein and his wife Shana became vegan back in 2016 and developed this app because they wanted to find an easy way for vegans to work out what was vegan without having to waste time reading all of the ingredients on every single packet in the shop. And I've been there and it's a pain, and if you're a new vegan, it's a real pain. So this app honestly saves you so much time. It's $10 and yeah, I'm going to walk you through some of the features. So to start off with, we will choose some meaty gourmet beef burgers. They've crossed out the M because there's no meat in them. It's just ET burgers. And these are some vegan burgers that I got from IGA. We're going to tap open our app and hit scan. And I've got to, here we are, find my barcode. And it scans it in, takes a photograph of that barcode. And if it doesn't come up, this did before, so just try again because it's needing a perfect photograph. There you go, perfect, came up. So as you can see there, it is vegan. And if we tap there, it'll bring up a photograph and let us know exactly what's in it. It doesn't contain any animal-derived ingredients, but it does contain gluten. And yeah, some people obviously want to be careful with that. And you'll notice that it'll let you know if it is palm oil free. So this one does not contain palm oil, but it does contain some soy. So it gives you all of those warnings down there and makes sure that you know exactly what is going to be in this product. And it's got a big happy green vegan there. So I'm happy to eat that product. Let's scan another option. This was another one. We've got the bio cheese brand Feta. Let's give that a go. Here we are, scan that barcode. And this one came up straight away. Once again, tap on it, and it even told me that I can save money if I get that at Woolworths at the moment. It's on special, and there's no animal-derived ingredients. It even has all of the ingredients there if I want to double check them. And this one is 100%, there's no palm oil. There's no gluten, no nuts, no soy, so this one gives a tick to everything. So there you go, pretty cool, pretty easy to use as you can see. Now if you happen to scan in a product and it doesn't tell you what it is, it just means it is not in their database yet, but do not fear. So we're going to scan in bio cheese, dairy-free Parmesano, some vegan Parmesan, and let's see what it brings up. It brings up 0 products. So now it will double check by tapping on name, and I'm going to type in the name of this product. I will type in bio cheese because it's the brand and see if it perhaps brings up the product that way. Sometimes when the scanner takes a photo, it's not perfect. So double check by typing it in. It's telling me all the cheddar, the feta, Parmesano, here it is. It's come up and look, vegan. Big happy thumbs up for me. I think that's great. Once again, it's a green for everything. So the bio cheese Parmesano is good to go as well. Okay guys, now this Master Foods satay marinade is not vegan, not. 0, no, do not eat this. This is a product though that I accidentally got in the mail, and even though it had dairy in it, I thankfully held on to it just so I can scan it in for you to show you what happens if something is not vegan. So hold it over, scan it in, and we'll see what happens. It brings up the name once again, but it's very clear, not vegan. And it tells you the reason. It contains dairy. It has the whole list of the ingredients there. They're not too sure about palm oil and not too sure about the gluten status. It does have peanuts in it. Obviously, it's satay. And it contains soy. So that just makes it so simple and so easy. If something is not vegan, it's in red, it's a thumbs down, it's a warning. But if it's green, then you'll have that lovely green vegan word. And if every now and then, if it ticks every single box, you'll get a green, happy green smiley man. So this is the Pure Land Firm Tofu. And we'll get our scanner again. And scan it in. This one doesn't want to come up either, so we're going to give it a go once again, typing in the name, and we'll type in Pure Land and search that and see what comes up. Now, this one's bringing up the Pure Land Kingland hummus, but that's not what I'm after. So in this case, what I would do is I'll take a photograph for Ken. I'll take a photograph of the packet, the barcode, and the ingredients. And then I will now email all of those 3 photographs to Ken and just let him know that it wasn't in the app, and thank him, of course, for how wonderful the app is. And he adds that in. This database is continuously being updated. Now, if you do want to see what they've added recently, just hit Advanced and click on Recently Added. So you need to tap on the left with this app, and they will tell you all the products that they've recently added into the app. So 7-Eleven now has a vegan, no chicken mayonnaise sandwich. The Abbott's Village Bakery sourdough is vegan, a bunch of other stuff. And they also have products like beauty products. So this is talking about shaving cream and shower gel and so on. And then look how many things. And these are all different to what they'd added the other day, because I checked this the other day and they were not there. So just literally, at least 30 or 40 more products have already been added since I last looked. So it's amazing, so cool. So if we do hit that Advanced button down there on the bottom, you can click on specifically on ingredients if you want to search a specific ingredient. But if you hit Advanced too, you've got your supermarket specials. I've got to remember, just tap on the left and it opens. You can see all specials or specifically Coles or Woolworths specials. So if we click on the Coles special, we can see that this week at Coles, the Bio Cheese Halloumi cheese is on special, and the Carmen's nut bars are on special for some Freedom Foods food, and Cocoa Pops and all sorts of things. So lots and lots of things are on special. Check that out and can save you a bit of money. Once again, tap on Advanced and you'll see the vegan grocery guide. This breaks all of the foods into their categories. So you can search a specific aisle or category here. So you can search bagels or bread, pizza bases, and then you've got your condiments and sauces, your confectionery and your snacks, or your dairy and egg replacements, then health and fitness, so you've got your protein powders and supplements and so on, your juices, then laundry and cleaning, then you've got all your meat replacements, and then other grocery items like noodles, party food and so on, or your personal hygiene. It's all there, so that can be a really easy way for you to figure out if there's a product that perhaps you may not have thought of, but you'll find it there under that category. Once again, if you tap on Advanced, you'll find that we also have vegan alcohol guide and a vegan beauty guide. I don't personally drink alcohol, but that's there as an option if you need it or you want it. And the vegan beauty guide if you're wanting to have vegan products specifically for your hair or your body. So that's pretty exciting, really. Now, this fast food option down here is an interesting one as well. The app itself is focused on groceries for Australia and New Zealand, but it also covers some other countries for fast food. So we do see, as you see here, Australia and New Zealand are covered for fast food as well. So if we're in Australia, we're hungry, we're not bothered cooking dinner, we're going to go to Domino's, we're going to click on Domino's, and it brings up the entire Domino's menu. So you can see lots of red, not vegan, not vegan, not vegan. But if we tap here on vegan only, you'll see it brings up everything about vegan food that's there at Domino's. So obviously some basic things like avocado is going to be vegan and the capsicum's vegan, but they also mention other things that you may not have realized. Well, vegan pepperoni, the vegan fire breather pizza. Sounds a bit scary. But I want to search and see if they've got Subway, because Subway is something we enjoy if we're ever on the road. So let's search. Once again, it's going to bring up all the options at Subway. And look, the first 5 are vegan, but then there's lots of not vegan. So I'll tap on vegan only. And the Beyond Meatballs, Beyond brand. So cool. Beyond Meatballs are vegan and they are now available at Subway. Oh, that's really cool. They have the veggie patties there, they're vegan too. So pretty cool. Now, the fast food options are not just for Australia and New Zealand, they're also for Canada, the UK and the USA. So if we're in Canada, once again, tap on the left and it'll open up, and once again, you're given all these options. Some will have lots of options, some not so many, but there are a few options there for you to check out. So I think this is great for people who want to travel and perhaps you don't know anyone where you're actually traveling to and you want to eat vegan. This just saves you a whole heap of time. And in the More section, you can add things to a shopping list, you can rate the app, and also contact Ken and his wife Shana and let them know what you think. And please do let them know if you end up getting the app, let them know what you think. They were so thrilled to hear my feedback, and I just love the product and wanted to share it with all of you guys. Even though this is a review episode, I had a few extra products come in the mail. I actually get a mail plane that comes to my property. If you want to see a little bit about that, I'll leave a link up here. It's how we used to get the mail in the peak of the coronavirus here. But I want to talk through some of these products so you don't miss out, because these did arrive from my IGA order, just a week late for that other episode. So we've got the ET Gourmet Beef Burgers, we have Bio Cheese Dairy-Free Feta, Bio Cheese cheddar and crackers, pretty handy for a lunchbox or for work if you want to have some crackers. The ET Gourmet Snags, these are like beef sausages, plus the Next brand extra crispy bacon style strips. They're really kind of weird, and they've even got like the, you know, like the fat strips in there. Pretty fun. The same brand as the gnocchi from my last episode. This is the iPastai Vegan Basil Pesto. You just pour the sauce over freshly made pasta and eat it. It's amazing. A lot of pesto has dairy in it, so keep an eye out for that store-bought stuff. You want it to say vegan. This is the Tofurky brand, plant-based deli slices, smoked ham style. Just, it says that these are the ones you want to stuff in a sandwich, so sounds fantastic. I mentioned earlier the Bio Cheese Parmesan that you can grate onto your pasta. We also have the dairy-free Down Under Cashew Parmesan, and that's dairy-free, but obviously not based on the same ingredients. These ones are based on cashews, and this one is based on coconut oil and rice protein, so a little different for the flavors. The dairy-free Down Under Sour Cream Style Dipping Cream might be nice with some wedges and some sweet chili sauce, so I'm gonna have to try that later. Plus, once again, the ET brand gourmet snags. These are the chicken style ones. And that firm tofu I mentioned earlier, the Pure Land brand. This is very nice, and I like to turn this into my own homemade kind of bacon. You wanna check out, I've got a big Aussie big breakfast, and I sort of make a fake bacon kind of thing there that we enjoy eating. Okay guys, so that's the Fussy Vegan Pro app. I really do love it. As I mentioned earlier, not sponsored, I just am over the moon about it, saving me so much time. So make sure you like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below, let me know if you've ever tried an app like this before, or maybe you already have the Fussy Vegan Pro app. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!